0062 former Oscar Tango Uniform Syria Romeo Bravo Echo November General Small Baba to control as I speak in my AOR here, my CSO at my AOR and some men of Edo State Security Corps member and vigilant. They apprehend these suspects around 1 to 2 last night when he went to church and Bogo Church. You can see this man here. We have been looking for him. He specialized on burglary and stealing. So this is the man. What is your name? What will be your name? Obi Benjamin. Which tribe you be? Deta Igbo Kwale. How old are you? Which school you go?
I went to Babura Mega.
At where? Goriaki. Okay. All those things now. All those big MP3 worth thousands of nairas, and all those microphone and this equalizer and this speaker.
Talking drum.
Uti farm and talking drum. Uti farm.
I'm the one that took it from Apprehension.
Now you get the church. Now you get the church. They dash you. Now your papa church. Now your mama church. You they go the church. You go break the church carry on. Okay. As we go apprehend you now, how you can feel here since yesterday? You they feel happy, or you feel bad? Okay, which advice you want to advise people with the thief now? Which advice you get to give them?
Advice where I get to give them, thief, not going to person supposed to do. And something they did person to get it. And I beg, don't say again to help the family. Maybe I say, to make it begin to make it help the family. Even me with them, I say, make it be like I'm not advising anyone to teach. And if you get picky with the teach, don't say the teach. Let's give her the better advice for you to change. I beg, teach not go to person.
Okay, control. As I speak, my Papa Lima remain at Uwelu Road Junction by Uwasota in my base here. We are trying to interview him a little, said that we can hand over him to the men of Delta Papa Oscar at Ogida Division. Tango Yankee, over.
Lawyer, it's Nnamdi Kanu and his lawyer that went to Enugu. I don't know whether the next time they will be going to Somalia or Afghanistan to file another process. Now, they don't want him to face trial. If they actually believe the government has no case, if they actually believe the government has no case, why are they not allowing him to go present his defense? The government has closed his prosecution. So why are they not letting him defend himself? And someone will want to abort the cause of justice while claiming to be the victim. No, we will not allow it to happen. Let them cry from now till tomorrow. Let them wail from now till tomorrow. We must find justice for our law enforcement personnel. And we send our wishes, good wishes, to all the members of law enforcement stationed in the southeast. We feel your pain. We know the dangers you are in. We will even call on our state governors to make provisions for special payments for any member of law enforcement that is serving in the southeast, because it's not an easy task. Thank you, everyone. Your name is what? My c4ught Harrison of Febu, Ijele speaks.
Speak to the press is to raise awareness on this issue of Nnamdi Kanu and those who are asking for his unconditional release. First of all, we are not novice of the law in this country. We understand that recently the president had issued a pardon to some convicted criminals. We want to make it clear that we understand that a presidential pardon can only be issued to somebody who has been tried and convicted. of a crime and serving his sentence. We have not seen, I am widely traveled, I have not seen a place where people will gather themselves to call for an unconditional release of somebody who has not been convicted, who has not even been tried. Therefore, we want to disassociate ourselves and the entire Igbo people from this charade of calling for Nnamdi Kanu's release. We are calling for justice for victims of Nnamdi Kanu's activity and his ESN and IPOB affiliates.